Any mention?
Please, Lordship.
Yes,
Like to mention item number 53, Lordship. This matter may come up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
You're supposed to argue the matter?
Lordship, the thing is, the lease agreement, Lordship, is still under consideration for renewal. Just kindly allow us 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
No objection.
Yes, on a premise, to await what?
3 weeks, Lordship. Awaiting
3 weeks.
the Lordship.
To await a renewal that is being processed.
Lordship.
At least renewal being processed is after 3 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 60, Lordship.
Where's Mr. Shilla?
He's having some personal difficulties, Lordship. Lordship,
We have not seen him for a long time. He's in good health.
We just filed a rejoinder, Your Lordship.
file rejoinder.
We received just now.
Kindly allow us 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
To do what?
For hearing, Lordship, 2 weeks' time.
Yes, as the rejoinder has just been received, the rejoinder affidavit has just been received by the petitioner and
Respondent.
respondent. Sorry. This matter for 2 weeks. Yes. Yes.
Right, Lordship.
Also, I would beg to make a mention of item number 49.
Number
49.
49.
49 also.
Your objection?
I think this is the third or fourth timely with seeking
That's
time.
good time. So they have objection, so it'll come up.
So we,
You ready to the matter?
no, Lordship. One last opportunity. One last opportunity.
Last opportunity. No mention has been made by Mr. TCS Lama for adjournment. You are Mr. Esali. No, you. Sorry.
Arlindo.
Arlindo has objected to the same. So, however, in terms of justice, 1 week's time is allowed. Yes, expected that the next date, no further adjournment will be taken. Yes.
Lordship, I have a similar prayer for item number 56.
Yes. What is the matter about?
I don't have the brief here, Lordship.
Don't say that. Where's the petitioner? CB Savyan A. Singh Kartiyang. Who's the petitioner here? Have you informed them?
No, Lordship.
They'll be called out. Yes. Yes.
May please,
Yes.
Lordship. I beg to mention item number 57, Lordship. I am mentioning on behalf of SK Hassan, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Much Lordship.
No, we are not adjourning it. Yes. He did a prayer for adjournment. Are you ready to the matter?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then
Lordship, our senior is having some personal difficulties.
they say the senior is having. Can you hear submission? What he's saying? Say it out
Yes, Your
loud.
Lordship.
Our senior is having some personal difficulties.
So
Your
when
Lordship, we have no objection.
you have no objection. Okay.
No, Your Lordship.
Okay. 2 weeks. Yes. Yes. After 2
May
weeks.
I please, Your Lordship? May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 54, my Lord.
Have you informed other side? No.
Lordship, they hear.
Your objection.
For the petition also.
Your objection.
No, Lordship.
Okay. Yes. 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, my Lord.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 50. No objections, Your Lordship.
Yeah, Mr. Chetri, right?
Yes.
LG Chetri, sir. Yes.
Your Lordship.
Madam.
May it please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 41.
Item
41.
In this case, Your Lordship, there has been too many adjournments, Your Lordship.
41. Who
This is that case of dismissal from
is
Meghalaya.
leading you in the matter?
Sir SD.
Then we should have objected. We'll call it out. You tell him. Okay.
Lordship, may it please your Lordship, I beg to make the mention of item 58. I'm praying for week's accommodation, your Lordship.
Mutalama not good enough for adjournment. Specialist.
Lordship. There's an endorsement, your Lordship, from the chamber.
Any objection?
No objection, my lord.
See.
Hello, Lordship.
Much obliged, my lord.
Daily list item number 1.
My lord, this is the contempt petition against the order dated 4/12/2025, my lord. The relevant portion of the judgment is page number 11, my lord.
Yes.
The writ petition was filed against the non-communication of ACR, and order was duly communicated to the respondent, my lord. That is annexure 2, page 13, my lord.
Yes. Why you have not given the entries? You have not communicated the ACR of which year? 2020, 21.
2021.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Written instructions. But Mr. V. Kumar and Council of Petition issue notice. Dr. N. Muzika DSGI with MSC Jala is present. No further notice required on the respondents list after 2 weeks for instructions of affidavit. Yes.
Item number 2.
Deep, my lord.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, the petitions are before this Honourable Court, my Lord, for pensionary benefits, my Lord. Like financial upgradation under MAPCS,
Upgradation?
Financial upgradation, my Lord, under MACPS and leave encashment, my Lord.
They already retired.
He retired, my Lord,
When?
in 2025.
Retirement is also. They have not been given pension as yet.
Pension has been given, but financial upgradation has not been given, extended, my Lord.
Have you agitated that?
Yes,
when
my
you were
Lord.
in service?
Yes.
Where?
The letter is also there, my Lord. The forwarding letter submitted by the
Which page?
page 29, my Lord. This is the letter submitted by the Joint Director of Higher and Technical Education to the Under Secretary, my Lord.
There are 2 petitioners here.
No, only one, my Lord.
What happened after this?
The day after that, my Lord, they have not yet processed, my Lord, till date. And for the leave encashment as well, despite representation, my Lord.
No, but as per the scheme, are you entitled?
Yes, I'm entitled, my Lord.
Yes,
my Lord.
Modified Assured
Yes.
Ration Scheme.
Because it's a stagnant post, my Lord.
You never got promoted in his entire life.
No, my Lord. Because he was working as a foreman in the year 2004.
Promotions did he get in the?
No promotion at all, my Lord. He was working as a contractual in the 2004 as a foreman. Thereafter that, my Lord, he was absorbed in the year 2013 as a workshop superintendent. Then in that post only he retired in the year 2025.
Polytechnic?
Yes, Polytechnic.
Yes.
Will require some instruction, madam.
You'll take notice for AG. Yes, that Mr. AG movement. Council petitioner. With Con present accept on behalf of respondents 1 to 4. MSE Passage present accept on behalf 6 and 7. Notice to issue respondent number 5 within 3 days, at least after 2 weeks. Yes.
Hello, please, my Lord.
Yes, for further orders.
3.
For instructions, affidavit.
3.
Please, Lordship. As per the last order 31/7/2026, I have filed the affidavit of service in respect of respondent number 8, 12, and 14. However, respondent number 10 yet to receive, so I did not file it.
File what?
That affidavit of service.
Okay.
So, in respect of the rejoinder, I will be filing during the course of the day in respect of the affidavit.
Admission hearing today.
This was list for admission hearing, my lord. We are challenging the maintainability of the writ petition.
Yes.
I'm filing the rejoinder during the course of the day. Yes, that
Who has filed the objection on maintainability?
I have filed.
1 to 3 they have filed.
I am for 1 to 3, my lord.
1 to 3.
Bagmara.
Yes, my lord.
1, 2, 3. S. Kiriam. 5 to 7 MPSC. 5 respondents. Selected respondents.
Yes.
You've already been appointed. What do you mean instruction? They're your clients, correct? Already appointed?
They are already appointed.
When was selection held?
The selection was here in the year of 2000, my lord, it was 2016.
You also not aware?
Declaration, my lordship. Result was declared on 2nd April 2026. That on the result of the interview was declared on 2nd April 2026.
They've been appointed. Have you challenged the?
Yes, lordship, we are just challenging the declaration order successful candidate.
No, but
that appointment order, that we are not aware whether they have been appointed or not. But we are only basically challenging the declaration that where they have selected as a successful appointment to the post of LDA. That declaration, the main challenge is that impugned declaration order April 2nd, 2026.
Have you filed your counter to the?
Yes, I'm filing during the course of the day. Today I'm filing, my lord.
Yes, take down. Office note indicates that affidavit has been filed indicating service upon respondents 8, 12, and 14. However, status report on behalf of respondents 10 and 13 still not received. Yes. Affidavits was not been filed, but we're not filing affidavit. When you'll be filing? Are you challenging the maintainability also, or you just doing the main case? Yes? Yes, your supplement argument made by number 1 to 3. Yes, Ms. S. Kiriam for 5 to 7 on the question of maintainabilities submits that you support the submissions made by the Mr. SD. Council for respondent 1 and 3. Stop. Also noted that respondent 11 has since been served. You have been 11?
No, respondent number 6, Your Lordship.
Number 11 has been served. You file 5 to 7.
I'm applying for 5 to 7.
He's paying for 6 then?
5 and 7.
5 and 7.
5 and 7. Your name?
Kitty Lingdor.
Okay. Mr. S. Kiriam for 5 and 7. Number 3. Yes. Then and Mr. S. Kiriam for 5 and 7. Mr. Kitty Lingdor for number 6 submits that they will support the submissions made by the Council Corner 1 to 3 on the question maintainability. Stop. Next one, Mr. P.T. Sangma. Please be allowed to file a joint on the course of the day.
Yes, lordship. To
the objections raised. And this is matter after 1 week for admission hearing.
Lordship.
Yeah.
Most blessed, lordship.
And for status report and service on the other respondents. Yes.
Most blessed, lordship.
4.
Yes.
Lordship, we are filing this miscellaneous application in writ petition 89, in which Your Lordship was pleased to order the respondent number 3, the same of Khairim, to make inquiries into the matter of the allegations against the respondent number 5, the Sodar of Nongsken. Now, Your Lordship, on 22nd 7, the respondent number 3, instead of ordering the inquiry, in fact, he issued a hukum where he allowed the respondent number 5 to call for the Dorbar right without going into the allegations of financial irregularities and other matters. Now, on the basis of this, the respondent number 5, the Sodar of Right Nongsken, he issued a notice calling for the meeting of the right on 10/8/2026 on issues which were outside the allegations. Annexure 15 is that notice, Lordship. And then it's at page 86 here, Lordship.
Now, where's the hukum of this? Of
The hukum is annexure 13 at page 67.
Where's hukum? This is the forwarding letter.
No, the next page on 68.
No. Oh. Belum terbar benda itu. That's all.
At page 69, Your Lordship.
The detail hukum. Okay. Where, which part? The
In page 70. I will read the translation, Your Lordship. It was further found that the accounts have been accepted by the majority of the members of the Executive Committee except for the Treasurer, and that the accounts were thereafter placed before the Darbar Right held on 21/11/2025. It was also found that the Darbar Right held on 21/11/2025, in which the Treasurer raises a complaint against the Swadar, the Darbar Right accepted the amounts and the resolution decision of the Darbar. Now, Your Lordship, this was just a passing by layman. It was not done through proper audit or proper verification.
No, but as per this, the Darbar accepted that they accepted the accounts, correct? In the Darbar. In the Khasi version, if you read at page 71, Asyam Darbar, Treasurer, Ujab Jasudar, Darbar, Priang Jing dia. Wara baro Asyam Tang Treasurer, Bakatu Kadir Example, the Contempt program watch Tong Noxican, Nig of Persha Jing dia. At by your bone Patkinong strong Darbar, Priang Wood.
Lordship, this is precisely our.
I think, Mr. I think this is new fresh further action. You will have to file a fresh writ petition. Yes, it's already like a writ petition only. Should have filed the writ petition.
No, Lordship, we thought that since you had passed orders in
No, that order can be referred to. You see to see whether it has not whether the order has been what do you call it, implemented in spirit and letter. And if these are discrepancies which you see have happened, that is a fresh course of action with the subsequent developments. Yes.
We will.
You just change it to writ petition. Yes. Who file a caveat? Yes? No, they serve a copy. Then what do you want in it? Who are you?
I'm the Sardar Lordship, respondent number 5.
Anyway, you just I think you file it fresh, you withdraw. Yes.
Much obliged.
On the observations of this court, Mr. Ikis and Sultana plays it allowed to withdraw incident application with liberty to file it fresh. Yes. According to the matter stands disposal withdrawn, however, liberty has paid. Yes.
Much obliged.
5.
May please, Your Lordship. This is after the mediation failed.
Why it failed? What's the matter about?
This is a matter about that the new issue of Your Lordship.
What's it about?
This is about that the denial of issuance of NOC and some other benefit that we are supposed to get. It's a really violation of our fundamental rights. We are the villagers. In the mediation.
Where's the report? Yes. Have you filed exchange affidavits?
My lord, we are not filing. We are former respondent here, my lord.
Who's file affidavit?
Main respondents would be the Shnongs, my lord. Shnongs.
Who's appearing for 1 and 2?
1 and 2, my lord.
1 and 2.
Yeah.
You didn't take steps for serve notice on the 25, sorry. Yes.
If I'm not mistaken, Mr. D. Thaba was appearing, my lord. Yes.
You're not aware of what the existence of this case now?
I don't know, my lord. I'm sorry. My lord, I'm from respondent 3 and 4. 3 and 4.
Respondent number 1 and 2 they have already filed, Your Lordship.
Affidavit.
Yeah, they have filed.
3 and 4 won't file.
3 and 4 is the
I need not, my lord. This is internal.
Then what about 5 and 6? Who's appearing 5 and 6?
My lord, I'm appearing for the state lordship. We are not filing. Pro forma, my lord.
7.
And 7 is the same of Himanakla.
7. You're not filing. That's all. Yes, so matters returned back from mediation proceedings on being unsuccessful. This is the same for the orders on
6/5/2026.
when?
That
mediation.
is a mediation, that order mediation for referring to mediation.
That's returned back. Is submitted that however today none appears for response 1 and 2, who are the main answering respondent staff. MS Enjishila for respondents number 3 and
5 and 6, my lord.
First, OI Bank 3 and 4, Enjishila for 5 and 6, and MS Sijala for 7 submits that no actual report coming from this respondent staff. Just after, we'll sit after 1 week, let Mr. Thaba come. Let us after 1 week, yes, for further orders.
Much obliged, my lord.
But did the people come? Was there
No,
any
they didn't attend.
1 and 2 didn't come at all for the mediation proceeding?
At first they attended.
They were there for both days.
No, they in the first day they.
The matter of denial of those scheme benefits and all.
Yes,
it should have been settled.
We are. That's why in the.
How many of you were there?
We have.
How many? How you see? How many affected people are there?
We are. I don't remember exactly, but around 15 households.
Okay, we'll just after 1 week. I will resolve it at the earliest. Yes.
Much obliged, my lord.
Highly obliged.
How much further time?
Well, this affidavit will have taken plenty of time. Paralysis come, but that's not answering the questions. But
what's the
It's a pay protection.
Pay protection.
Pay protection.
The petitioner was on short service commission, my lord, and after so not permanent commissioner. After that, applied fresh, my lord, and now has been appointed. This is seeking pay protection of the short service commission.
He's serving as what now?
The doctor,
As a doctor.
a regular doctor now.
Doctor Assam Rifle.
No,
Doctor.
what's his, he's deputy commandant?
Deputy commandant.
We'll give you 2 more weeks.
2 weeks. We'll file.
Ms. Dr. Mbozika has again been renewed prayer for further time to file affidavit stop. This list after 2 weeks expected next year. The affidavit should be on board.
We'll file.
7. 7.
Section 11 petition. Only last occasion, my lord, that solicited justice retired for appointment of the arbitrator.
You appeal which matter?
There is item number 9, my lord. Inform you. I'm the local counsel.
Sorry, my lord. Sir. I'm sorry.
Don't jump the queue, yes.
Yeah, please, lordship.
I sorry. It is 9.
This matter can be disposed, your lordship, because in the media they have already settled and they have given the promotion also, my lord. Kindly see the order they have.
Your lordship, kindly implead the Labour Department also as a party here.
There's no question of implement. Already promotion has been given. Kindly see the order, my lord. It was the employment and Director of Employment and Craftsmen Training, Meghalaya Shillong, have already promoted on the basis of the mediation. That is the order. The mediation took place on 13 March 2026. Kindly see the 14 May 2026, and after that official order issued by the Director of Employment, Craftsmen Training. So they have already promoted on the basis of the mediation, because I also took part in the mediation, and the respondent government also, they have been there in front of the mediation, and after that they have issued this letter to me, and I got it also, and I'm have been promoted by the departmental promotion committee.
Yes. We'll close it then.
You can close it, my lord.
Yes, you don't have the file also.
Aye.
Then You're not regularized earlier on.
Earlier not regularized. Later on, I fight for regularization.
Yes, but
And then the departmental commission, they have in the mediator said that they will constitute the departmental commission DPC. After the mediation, they constitute, and after that they have given promotion.
Your this office order dated 12 May, correct?
Yes,
On the
Lordship.
basis of recommendation selection committee held on 1st May 2026, you're the petitioner, so and so, officiating early assistant, senior most beyond the office of so and so, is hereby promoted as early assistant in a scale of pay level 5 effective the date issues office against the existing vacant post. Now, what about your initial service? Have you been regularized as peon? As yet? Have you been regularized as peon? Otherwise, the selection committee has promoted you.
Your Lordship.
If you're not in a substantive post, then
let me just see whether
by the director, and that's informed to your. Yes, you have the letter informing you.
No, Your Lordship.
You don't have that also.
No, Your Lordship.
Why? Where's the senior one advocate? Why so blank?
H. Karvalang is handling, but Your Lordship, as per my instruction, Your Lordship,
Yes.
the Labour Department has to be impleted, Your Lordship, because employment and craftsman it falls under the Labour Department. Kindly, my lord, if I may look into the file, just
Yes,
a week's time.
otherwise-
Just a week's time, my lord.
Otherwise, you should come from not to just say that to impede a party. You should know how the case has progressed after mediation. What happened in your own department? Yes, take down. Though Mr. P.T. Sangma admits that the grievance of the writ petitioner seems to be addressed, in as much as the respondent number.
Respond number 2.
One number 2. You have a copy of the order also. Do you have a copy of the order? MS Asalu? You don't have.
No, Your Lordship. Oh, respondent.
Respondent number 2.
The respondent number 2 has, by order dated 12 May 2026, has promoted the petitioner as early assistant in the existing vacancy, the existing vacant post stuff, and the fact also been communicated to the additional senior government advocate by letter dated 14 May 2026. The learned counsel for the state do not have any instructions, nor are they in possession of this communication. Review the matter after 1 week. MS NG Shilla, who is present as senior one advocate, to take to attend to the matter. Yes.
My lord, small prayer, my lord, if necessary.
Now you
maybe
take this. First, you take after 1 week. We'll see if it's necessary or not to make party and to obtain instructions on the communications produced by on the order and communication produced by the learned counsel petition today. You've give them copy.
Yes,
You've given a copy.
we have not received any copies. my
We
lord.
have given to the mediator actually, but we'll give it. No problem. I'll give it.
You give. Yes,
Only I'll give.
Just
Much
after 1 week. See the letters and take
My lord.
instructions. Yes.
Accordingly, my lord. Much
Most
obliged, my
blessed.
lord.
If necessary to plead at all, we'll see.
My lord.
8.
Please, Lordship. Here, my lord, I was to file my rejoinder. There's a practical difficulty, my lord. Since 14, the petitioner is hospitalized. He's old, aged, my lord, is hospitalized. So I was requesting, my lord, if some further time could be granted. And asked for 3 times, my lord. Last chance was given on the last occasion, but since 14th he is hospitalized, my lord. That is my only.
Where the medical certificate?
I can produce it on the next day. He's in Joy Civil Hospital, my lord. If the matter can be listed for hearing in the meantime, I can file my rejoinder.
Yes.
My lords, I'm appearing for 4 and 5. My lords may have my affidavit.
No. Do you have any objection to granting further time, although
My lords,
because
by
of
way
the
of
health
last
condition?
opportunity, my lords.
Last opportunity has no meaning.
It may be listed for hearing in the meantime.
So 3 opportunities have been allowed to the petitioner, and last opportunity granted on 5/8/2026. Mr. S. Deb today submits that as the petitioner is hospitalized since 14, the general government file stop. Accordingly, in view of the situation, further 2 weeks time is allowed, matter to be listed for hearing in the meanwhile.
9.
It's appointment of ROTM. The consent has come.
Yes. Yes, now you can see, Ms. Hussain. What do you want to say? Yes.
The consent has come. So,
okay, yes, has consent been received? We'll dispose of it.
Schedule 4, it will be as per schedule 4.
10. 10.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, we have filed the reply, Lord, raising the objection as to the maintainability, Lord. If the Lordship will see the order impugned or the order which has been complained, Lord, regarding the disobedience of the order of the Lordship, kindly see page 9, Lord, of the order, Lord.
Which order?
Order against which the contempt has been initiated, page 9, Lord.
This is division bench order.
Division bench order. Yes, Lord. The division bench order, Lord. This application filed by Director Meghalaya Power Distribution for recording the settlement, Lord. The settlement agreement dated 2nd December 2025 is annexed to this application with prayer to dispose of the writ appeal along with miscellaneous application on the basis of the settlement agreement. The said agreement has been duly signed by parties. In view of the fact that parties have agreed to settle the dispute by entering into settlement dated 2/12/2025 and appears to be lawful agreement, we dispose of writ appeal along with the connected application on the basis of settlement agreement dated 2/12/2025. Now, what has been alleged or stated before the Lordship in contempt is that settlement agreement has not been acted upon by the authority. Lordship will have the paragraph 4, paragraph. Lordship will have paragraph 3 at page 13
of your affidavit.
Of this paper contempt petition only, 13.
I couldn't follow you.
Settlement agreement.
I couldn't follow you.
Settlement. I placed settlement agreement, my lord.
What page?
After settlement agreement, page 13. Its settlement agreement starts from page 12, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
And the applicant is complaining that we have breached this settlement agreement, my lord.
What page?
Paragraph 3 at page 13.
Paragraph 3 at page 12.
Paragraph 3 at page 13. 13, my lord. Terms of settlement.
That is mutually agreed.
Yes, my lord. Terms of settlement. It is mutually agreed between the parties that out of principal amount of rupees 60 crore 45 lakh 2,990, an amount equivalent to 35% shall be paid by the party to the second party on the date of signing of instant agreement, and balance of said amount shall be paid at the earliest. So far as 35% is concerned, my lord, we have paid this 35%. So far as balance of the said amount is concerned, my lord, it is the parties have agreed that it will be paid at the earliest. No timeline has been given, my lord. So our case is, my lord, that there is no breach of this order of this honorable court. We have not violated any order of this court, my lord. And in terms of settlement, we will make the payment. And your lordship has seen the order of the division bench. It merely provides, my lord, that writ appeal is disposed of in terms of settlement, my lord. If your lordship will have page 10.
Yes, we've seen that.
So yes, my lord. So then the what is being complained or what is being alleged against me, my lord, is that I have breached the settlement. And the writ appellate court has disposed of the settlement or disposed of the writ appeal in the light of settlement. This is my first, therefore there is no willful disobedience. My lord, I have placed the material before your lordship.
Yeah, Mr. Apple General, can you fine tune your audio? It's garbled, you know.
I changed, my lord. I changed something, my lord. I have changed the network also, my lord.
Anyway, continue. Yes.
I'm sorry, my lord. Today there is some problem.
Yes.
Yes. The paragraph. So therefore, my lord, my first submission is that there is no violation of the order of division bench, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
Second-
What would you mean by earliest? So earliest when was agreement entered into? This agreement was entered to on 1st December. Right.
It was entered on, my lord. Yes, my lord. So there is no timeline. If the timeline would have been given, my lord, timeline, that within this period you have to do it. There is no timeline, my lord. So therefore, in order to make out a willful contempt, they should have said that this honorable court directed the authorities to make the payment within 6 months, 3 months, or timeline. And the authorities willfully disobeyed the order of this honorable court, my lord. Two aspects need to be taken into consideration, my lord. So I am supported by recent judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord. May I place that judgment on this point, my lord? The judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court 2025 SCC online SC 1732, my lord. And kindly have paragraph, my lord. 14, paragraph 14, 1-4, my lord. At the outset, we find that there is no dispute regarding the operative portion of the order of 17 January 2018. The direction reads, the outstanding amount be paid within a period of 3 months. There is equally no dispute that the amount was not paid within the period of 3 months. In fact, letters annexed to contempt petition show the payment commenced in 2019 well beyond the timeline fixed by the court. The question that arises for consideration is whether the delayed compliance constitutes willful disobedience as to attract the jurisdiction of this court under the Contempt of Court Act 1971. In Ashok Paper Kamgar Union versus Dharam Godha, this court has held that contempt jurisdiction is intended to uphold the majesty of law and not to settle personal grievances. Similarly, in Ram Naran versus Ramesh Naran, in a case of civil contempt, breach must be deliberate and intentional, my lord. In the tested on anvil of the above principle, we find that although bank did not effect payment within the time permitted by this code, material placed on record do not demonstrate that delay in compliance was born out of any willful or contemptuous intent. The explanation tender relief to the administrative order post-merger and the retrieval of record dating back over. While such circumstances cannot justify laxity in complying with the order of this court, the element of mens rea essential for sustaining a charge of civil contempt cannot be inferred merely from fact of delay. Insofar as, so my lord, the question which I am with, my lord, so in the facts, my lord, your lordship, there is no willful disobedience.
Okay, the first point, but this case of yours, yes, we'll suppose it was complied finally, okay? It was complied, but then it not within the 3 months, not within the 3 months, not within the 3 months timeline given by the court. So there's no willful violation. In your case now is why they come to contempt? You settle 35% now. You're just keeping quiet.
There is no timeline because your lordship has not given any timeline. It had the party knew that it because at the earliest was used purpose with the certain object, my lord. Because the party knew that the project is of central government, fund will come from the central government, and that is why parties did not mention any timeline, my lord. Your lordship has seen that there has to be willful, deliberate contempt on the part of the, and that conduct, my lord, with greatest respect is missing in this case, my lord. Now, my lord, the another point, my lord, though technical, my lord, but it's equally important. If your lordship will see the person who has filed page 8, my lord, page 8 of the contempt petition, my lord, page 8.
The volume, just put the volume down a bit. It's jarring. Yes, please continue.
Page 8, my lord, your lordship will see who has filed this contempt, my lord, page 8.
Okay.
Lordship kindly have page 8, my lord.
Yes.
Page 8 is filed by Krishna Kumar Jaswal, my lord.
Yes.
That I am the authorized representative of petitioner as such competent to swear the affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
And if the resolution your lordship find, the resolution is not in favor of this person, my lord. It page 41, my lord. 41 annexure A4. A4, my lord.
Page 14?
41, 41, my lord. Annexure A4, my lord. And the resolution is in favor of Vinod Singh Yadav, my lord. And the petition, Vinod Singh Yadav. Board consist of board of directors of company hereby 41, my lord, 41. At annexure A4, my lord.
Yes. A3.
You also will notice board resolution is by board of directors favoring Mr. Vinod Singh Yadav. And at page 8, your lordship has seen it is Jaswal. So he is also not authorized to institute this case on behalf of the company, my lord.
Yes. Yes, this is Vinod Singh Yadav.
Vinod Singh Yadav, my lord.
Yes.
Vinod Singh Yadav, and the person who has filed the complaint, my lord, is Krish Kumar Jaiswal at page 8. He is also not authorized, my lord.
Yes.
The issue, my lord, are twofold, my lord, in my humble submission. That question which is it a willful, first, my lord, whether there is a breach of the order of this honorable court or not, my lord. Have I given any undertaking? Your lordship have seen in the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in A.K. Jayaprakash that timeline was given, and in timeline it was not paid, and the Honorable Supreme Court said that there is no there is no willful intent, my lord. This aspect is not disputed by the respondent, my lord, by the applicant, my lord, that there is a willful. We are trying out.
Okay, next point.
At the earliest.
Next point, yes. Not authorized. Yes. Next point after that.
This is next point. No willful disobedience.
Okay,
third point is,
fine.
my lord, that third point is, my lord, that there is no breach also. In fact, there is no breach of your lordship's order.
Okay, yes.
There is no.
No, not the authorized representative. The no breach.
Yes, my lord. If your lordship, no breach, my lord. In
no breach will come when.
Yes, okay. Breach, if the lordship will see the clause once again, what was settled, kindly see the settlement agreement, my lord.
No, we've seen that, yes. We didn't at the earliest.
And yes. Settlement agreement says at the earliest, there are two components of the settlement agreement, my lord. At one, pay 35%, my lord, which we have paid it, my lord.
No, they have not.
Because this fund was of central government was with us, we immediately paid on the date of signing, my lord. Page 13. At best, my friend's client, my lord, will have remedy of approaching your lordship in writ, not by way of contempt for enforcement of settlement or by way of appropriate, because contempt cannot take the form of a specific performance of settlement agreement, my lord. Page 13, my lord. The lordship will have page 13.
1-3, yes.
Paragraph 1-3, my lord. Paragraph 3, which the applicant is complaining that it has been breached. This is a mutual agreement between the parties, my lord. Principal amount is so and so, and
yes,
writ appeal has been disposed of. So the remedy in my humble submission are twofold. If one, they can prefer the writ petition independently, but they can go and revise the writ appeal saying that settlement agreement has been breached. And my case is that there is no breach, my lord. Payment of earliest, we could have said 3 months, 6 months, 9 months at the earliest, because having regard to the fact that the fund has to come from the central government. That fact is also not disputed, my lord, by the applicant, my lord. In my humble submission, my lord, no case of breach or violation of the order is made out. I can place the authorities, my lord, because there is no number of authorities on this issue, my lord, that there is no undertaking, my lord. Had we given any undertaking before this honorable court in the division bench order, the bench of your lordship has simply disposed of, if your lordship will have the division bench order once again at page 9. At page 10, my lord, second paragraph. In view of the fact that parties have agreed to settle the dispute by entering into settlement,
no, that is
and it appears to be
in terms of the settlement
disposed of,
On the basis
Yeah, disposed of, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. So the parties have agreed the dispute and the writ appeal is disposed of.
So
There
the
is no
petition was disposed of also.
direction that the
You consented to the disposed petition at that stage
disposed of-
also. Thanks. So anyway,
You,
you
yes, my
finished?
lord. So then the issue is, my
Anything
lord,
else, Mr.
the
Advocate
issue
General?
is, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Anything else? For
No,
now.
my lord, this is all I have
Yes,
to
Mr.
say.
Goswami.
That is all I have to.
Better. Lordship, as regards the first hyper-technical objection that my AG has taken, that's a mistake. We have got the correct board resolution. If Lordships can take it on.
You have to file by affidavit, Mr. Goswami.
No, Lord,
It's a
we
court of
would.
record.
No, but then these objections
want
should have
to
been
see
taken
your-
not at this stage, but so much of water has
Yes.
flown.
No, I have to
That
take
is
it
a
to
high-
client.
as a-
I have to take it to client.
Is it?
If he has finished, then I will continue. If he has not finished, I will take my seat. So I have not interfered when he said. Now, if he is taking this hypothetical objection, then we can, though I would not like to, but just to respond to him, this affidavit was supposed to be filed in 7 days. Without leave, he has placed it. He has filed it on 9 days. Could he have placed it? Could this affidavit even come on record?
It has been raised in affidavit.
Pardon, Lordship?
It's been raised in affidavit.
Without seeking a leave or condonation.
Okay, let's not get too hyper.
That's what. Let's not get too hyper technical. Now, Lordship, will kindly see Lordship's last order. Please see Lordship's last order. I am not on hyper technicalities, but since the AG raised the hyper technical point, so I thought I should respond to it.
Yes.
What did the court want to know? Today also the learned AG assisted by so and so, learned GA for the respondents, has put up the same excuse that to satisfy the amount arrived at a settlement, the funds have to be received from the Ministry of Power, more particularly from the REC. It is not understood under what circumstances the settlement was arrived if the fund position was not clear to the respondents. In this view of the matter, they are directed to put in an affidavit within 7 days. Now, in this affidavit, they say everything else, except responding to Lordship's query that why did you get into the settlement if you didn't have the money?
Yeah, but that be extending the scope, yes. Just reply to his arguments.
Yes, I'll
regarding
reply to
whether
the argument.
There's any willful, where is willful disobedience?
Our Lordships,
Yes.
I would say after reading this affidavit, this case is no more a simple case of willful disobedience.
I've not seen the affidavit, yes. Take us to the affidavit.
Yes. I'll take to the affidavit. This is at para 4 is what their affidavit, Lordships.
Yes.
This is the sum and substance of their argument that is respectfully submitted that the Honorable Division Bench does not contain any direction to the deponent or to MEPDCL to make payment, does not fix any time frame, does not decrease specific performance, and does not record any undertaking given to this Honorable Court. It is an order of disposal on the basis of a settlement. So this is the sum and substance of the argument, and they have repeated that. Now, my submission to Lordships is this. This case is no more a case of a mere willful disobedience. Would Lordships kindly take up the Contempt of Courts Act? It has gone beyond that, willful disobedience. Kindly have a look at the Contempt of Court Act. And this is an argument on the basis of the query the Lordships have put in the last order. Now, would Lordships kindly see definition clause 2? Yes. And I would now press my case under section 2C, Roman 3. May I just read it? Criminal contempt means publication, whether by words, spoken or written, or by signs, or by visible representation, or otherwise, of any matter, or of doing any act, any other act whatsoever, which interferes or tends to interfere with or obstructs or tends to obstruct the administration of justice in any other manner. Why I would say this case falls straight here is, we have been misled into believing, and because of this settlement, the writ appeal could not be disposed of. If we would have been apprised that this is the condition, that only on receipt of the funds, which I have said last time also, we would never have entered into this agreement. So therefore, only because, not only we, even the court, because of the settlement, was not allowed to dispose of the writ appeal in merits. So the action of the state tends to interfere. Now Lordships will kindly come to section 15 of the Act. Sorry, section 15. We are seeking your Lordship's indulgence. In case, number one, Lordships, in case of criminal contempt, other than contempt referred to in section 14, the Supreme Court or High Court may take action on its own motion or on a motion made by the AG and other things. In this case, it is not possible to seek the consent of the AG because the AG is himself defending the contemner. So we urge Lordships that, considering the fact that there has been a clear case of obstruction of justice, Lordships will suo moto initiate criminal contempt.
That has to go to division bench?
Yes. Section 18.
Yes.
So whether this is a clear case of criminal contempt is another issue which perhaps will now have to be considered by the, because this is no more a case of willful disobedience. By their conduct.
It interfered with the administration of justice.
Yes, Lordships, it has. It has clearly interfered. Because Lordship will appreciate if this settlement would not have come, we would have abided by the writ appeal judgment. Whatever it would have decided, whether the appointment of the CIRP was correct or not. So therefore, today we are very clear that this is not a case of simple willful disobedience. So it has now taken a color of criminal contempt.
Yes.
So therefore, Lordships may frame charges because the procedure is also laid down at section 15(3), and of course Lordship is right in terms of section 18, it has to be heard by a division bench.
Yes.
So Lordships may answer, because we still believe not only there has been a willful breach, but there has also been a clear-cut interference with the course of justice, administration of justice, if I may put it that way. That application was also filed by them. That application for disposing of the writ appeal in terms of the settlement was filed by them.
Is the records here?
Yes.
Writ appeal.
Records are here. In fact, that application we have filed, we have already annexed it, Lordships.
Is the next? Yeah.
In fact,
where's that application?
Is the writ appeal record there?
Application is not on record.
I'm sorry, sir. Yes, it is. Page. Oh, this is my copy. I'll just show the page. Yes. MCWA 96. MC miscellaneous case 96 of 2025. Kindly have a look at the application. Please come to page 3, para 4. In fact, the applicant is, Lordship will see, Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited in the cause title, and kindly come to para 4.
But this application was put in after you signed a settlement, Mr. Goswami.
Pardon?
After you signed a settlement.
Yes, yes.
It's not that they put an application to say that we are arriving at a settlement.
That was the oral submission. That was the oral submission. See the order. They are saying we are. That was the oral submission made before the court. Please hold on to the writ appeal proceedings. We are negotiating.
So you feel accompli also?
We are not, because this effect was not apprised to us. That is our case. That is our whole case.
Fait accompli with regard to disposal of the writ appeal.
On a misrepresentation of facts.
Okay, yes.
On a misrepresentation of facts.
Draw that this will, amount to interference with the, with the administration of justice.
Lordships, the settlement would never have come on record, would never have been entered into, had the real facts.
So your submission is that if this proposition had been put forward and settlement arrived at, it would have gone to its logical conclusion.
Yes.
And so by putting a settlement, they prevented the courts from administering or adjudicating the matter. That is your case.
Yes.
And that amounts to interference with the administration of justice. Correct.
Because we were aggrieved by the single judge's order, we went up to division bench. And we wanted an adjudication on merits. We never intended a settlement. In fact, Lordship will appreciate, Lordship will remember this matter was heard before Lordship long. That time there was no scope, there was no talk of any settlement. It is when we went up in appeal, the proposal came from that side. We said, fair enough. And we were given to believe. So it is because of this settlement that came in. And today they are now, therefore, they are themselves resigning from the position. The affidavit says they are now resigning from the position.
Yes.
So ultimately, Lordships, it is the majesty of the court that has to be upheld.
Yes.
The orders passed have to be enforced. And if Lordships feels...
Of course, that is a given, that is not negotiable.
So therefore, we would strongly suggest that this case has gone beyond the normal civil contempt.
So one thing, Mr. Goswami, now, after the matter was disposed of, that was in December, correct?
Yes, sir.
When was the payment made?
Okay. It is made on
I'll
a copy of the...
It is
mentioning the affidavit also.
It is made on 3rd December, the day after. That is not again the entire 20%. As I indicated last time also, there was 35%. There was still a difference of 1 crore odd in that 35% also, which we indicated last time. But thereafter, nothing has moved.
After 1st December, nothing.
8 months.
After 3rd December, Lordships.
After 3rd December, no further payment.
No.
Okay.
Yes. We sent a legal notice also in the meantime, but there was no response to the legal notice. That legal notice is A2. We sent them a legal notice on 12/5/2026. If Lordship will have a look at that.
Yes, no, I've seen that.
And finally, I may just, if the AG has put in a last submission that could cut short, if AG consents that let the writ appeal be revived and be heard on merits, if he agrees to it, we have no problem. He has made a submission. That's a fair submission, I must say. Mr. Amit is always fair. So if he agrees to that, then we have no problem.
Give the resolution a copy to the council.
Yes.
And a special resolution is.
Milord, let the resolution be placed record so that we can take instruction, Milord, of the, because I don't know who has signed it, whether it is signed or not, and all these things require to be examined, Milord. It's a contempt is serious
typographical
matter,
error they have.
and that is one. So, and this is the petition filed by a person who is not authorized.
No, he was authorized. This is a mistake on our part. This is a mistake on our filing instructing counsel's part.
I'm not.
No, but this was this resolution is 5/6.
The application before your lordship.
After a contempt have been filed. Your contempt application was filed 17/6, or this is 5/6 or predated.
Before contempt.
So it's been okay.
Milord, all these things need to be examined, Milord. Across the board, I can't examine. Let it be filed and we will examine it, Milord.
Otherwise we'll dispose it of, Mr. RP General. This matter. I'll pass orders.
Milord, if your lordship kindly see two things, Milord, kindly see the page 5 of the grounds.
Anyway,
my friend
your opponent's suggestion made by Mr. Goswami that we close the contempt and then a gentleman's agreement that the matter be revived before the writ appeal in the writ appellate.
No, that is something fell from him.
No, I'm not saying, I have said that these are the possible
You take instructions, we'll have it after 1 week.
No, let it come at 2 o'clock, Lordship. Just on that part only, Lordships. He will just tell us only on that part, Lordships. If he is agreeable to the writ appeal,
you don't have to be present also, Mr. Goswami.
It is not
council is here. You don't have to go council.
The question is, which your lordship fall is that contempt is not made out, and in the let in the meantime he file the resolution as per proper application, my lord. Proper application.
He put in the affidavit of resolution, and we'll have it after 1 week. Who's the local council, Mr. Goswami?
Local council is here. Who's there?
Yes.
No, we can have it at 2, then we can at least have a closure before we leave. At 2, if Mr. Amit can do it.
Deputy General is much more.
Because it's not it can't be done like
So Lordship is also considering our submission on the criminal that we are.
Yes, we'll see. Subject after 1 week, then we'll pass orders this way or that way. I'll examine the matter on my own accord also, whether on your submission, whether this okay, maybe not willful, but whether there's any element of how the respondents have sought to circumvent the process of this poll. That is your case, right?
Yes.
Yes.
That's
11.
After 1 week, petitioner to file the resolution by way of affidavit within 2 days. Yes. Yes.
अरे जब भी लगाना है मैं तो नहीं आ सकता.
You take the date, yes.
I will. Lordship will permit us to appear through VC.
Yes, of course.
Date
11.
Grateful, Lordships.
May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the matter is listed for me to file my rejoinder.
How many times have you
This
taken?
is the second occasion that I'll be praying for further time, Your Lordship.
2 weeks for the time. Any interim orders operating?
No, Your Lordship. Highly obliged. Your
Much obliged, my lord.
12.
My lords,
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
12 to 20 connected matters, my lord. And
12 to 22.
On the last occasions, of course, all the affidavits have been filed except for 2.
Except for 21 and 22, my lord. We're filing it today, my lord.
74, 75.
21 and 22, my lord.
Don't give the item number.
74, 75,
give
yes, my
petition
lord.
Number, yes.
Writ petition number.
Yes, MSOI Bank submits that the remaining 2 affidavits in WPC 74 and 75 matters will be filed in the course of the day.
Yes, my lord.
After 2 weeks. We will file rejoinder when?
2 weeks for rejoinder, my lord.
Yes, 2 weeks for rejoinder, yes.
Required. My lord. Much obliged.
23.
May I please, your lordship? We will file in the rejoinder today only, lordship. During the course of the day, we will file.
It's MSG Sage Marat submits that. The journal will file in the course of the day. List after how much for hearing?
2 weeks, lordship.
No urgency. Yes.
Highly appreciated.
24.
Your lordship, we have received that subsistence allowance from the government, from the MECL, I mean. So,
we'll close it.
Your lordship,
what do you want today?
Your lordship, there's another thing is that we have already made in prayer so that that to allow us to resume their duties, but till this.
No, are you still? Who are you working as? What?
I am working as a Jugali in the.
So you've been terminated.
Yes, no, I have not been terminated. They have they said that they have issued notice, but we have not received.
What notice they have issued?
Notice for disciplinary action, but we have not
You are
received
appointed
anything.
regularly.
Even though those notice that we have annexed, it's just that after we received in 2024, sometime December.
To resume your work. But the department proceedings have concluded.
We don't know anything about it.
Yes,
They did not call us for the.
You have received that money, 8 lakhs.
Yes, that is subsistence allowance.
Since when have you been suspended?
Since 2023.
23?
March. And I have not received any communication.
Now you got the check, correct?
Yes, we have.
Where's that DP been drawn up? Show me which annexure is that?
Yeah, Your Lordship.
Where the department proceedings were drawn up, where's that? Annexure.
Page page number 43, and type copy is 44A. So this is written by the SP, today assistant engineer. Then thereafter.
One second. When you're Lamurong?
No, Lordship, I'm Ilios.
Yes, one second. Do you investigation see was
in the FR I have been discharged.
When it says C reshot and C, you're the person who switched off the current.
Yes, so I have been discharged from the criminal, and the main accused also have been discharged.
Yes, what happened? What's happened with disbarment proceeding, Mr. Pandey? Yes, no instructions. And with Rishok Barai, what happened? He's been reinstated?
Everyone they have been discharged from the case.
No, they have been reinstated or not?
No instruction.
No idea.
No idea.
Yes. Can't hear you, you're muted.
Am I audible now?
Now you're audible, yes. Yes, what's happened at DP? What's happened to the department proceedings?
Hello, sir. Audible now?
Now it's gone. Yes, only frozen frame. Yes, MS Kolni.
Lord,
You have instructions.
so far as the departmental proceeding, my lord, it's so far. At that time, my lord, at the initial stage, we were, if subject to correction, my lord, we were on the.
Why are you calling him back to service?
No, my lord, no, not that. Then the inquiry was on the verge of completion. That was what we have this.
Yes, instruction. Yes, though Mr. Harlindo submits that the entire amount which has been sanctioned since we received by the petition. However, he submits that the other part of this prayer still remains for adjudication by this court. That is to allow the petition to resume. MS are only to obtain specific instructions within 1 week.
The amount is I receive only for subsistence allowance.
It's okay. Let's look at your job. Yes.
25.
Hello, right.
See, I file my rejoinder.
We have received a copy. Let me post it for hearing, man.
Receive that. If it's posted for hearing, the contract is only for 1 year. How many days? 5 months gone. The case will come in fractures.
My lord.
Why? What's this fishery?
No, not fishery. It's a market, man.
It's a market given a contract market. They have admitted everything. Only one place they said they have not received the representation, which I have clarified.
My lord, we have given a specific time frame to come and deposit the money. They have failed. Subsequently, that, my lord, we have given to the second highest bidder. Now they are coming by way of filing an application.
What does it say? Why didn't deposit the money
so we made an effort to deposit, and in fact we went there many times to deposit, and we filed a
representation. You were chased away.
They did not chase away. Yes, I was chased away from there.
Where is the statement?
Para 7 in my rejoinder.
Yes.
This is a paragraph because they have received the letter. They are not denying, saying anything. Simply said not received. That the averment made in para 9 of the affidavit in opposition are vehemently denied as false, misleading, concocted. Nothing therein shall be deemed to be admitted by the petitioner for want of a specific traverse.
What do you mean by specific traverse?
We are not admitting. They said they have not received.
What does traverse mean? What's the dictionary meaning of traverse? You're using this word here.
See.
Anyway, you overlook it, yes.
In reply, it is submitted that the petitioner was a successful bidder in the subject tender, and the respondent, acting arbitrarily and colorable exercise of power, deliberately prevented the petitioner from depositing the bid amount on or before the stipulated due date
of the 5th December, although the prisoner made every bona fide effort to deposit the said amount, the respondents blocked the transaction on one pretext or others. As a last resort, the petitioner submitted a formal representation letter dated 5/12/2005 to the office of the respondent. The letter was neither processed nor considered by the respondent, who acted with malice in law and under the extraneous considerations to wrongfully deny the contract to the prisoner. Consequently, the contract was illegally allotted to number 4. It is submitted that there was a omission or default on the part of the petitioner, as he had already demonstrated his bona fide intent by depositing all the requisite initial amount, including the tender application for registration fees and earnest money.
We have it after 1 week admission.
My lord, but my lord, may kindly consider by para 9. We have specifically stated, my lord, they have not filed any representation.
Consider that.
This is the I have explained.
Yes, the things are complete, but as urgency has been expressed by Mr. Kurishi, who submits that the matter concerns leaseable market.
Yes.
1 year. This is matter.
Monday.
Matter. When next Monday.
Next Monday.
As a fixed matter or division hearing for disposal. Yes. Monday is 3rd. No, Monday is 31st.
31st.
26.
We received the affidavit, Lordship. We will file the rejoinder, Lordship.
In the course of the day?
No, Lordship. After
Yes.
2 weeks, Lordship.
She says Marak pays for about 2 weeks time to file rejoinder. Yes.
Then 7.
Lordship, in this case, we are asking for a week's time, Lordship, to file our affidavit.
Only 2 weeks are time allowed. This
Yes,
is,
several times.
but
have
this
been
is
allowed.
several times. Any urgency?
No, Lordship.
What's the matter about?
There's a dismissal from service due
Dismissal
to
he is working as what?
pending criminal cases.
He was working as a constable, Your Lordship, unarmed constable.
Further 2 weeks time is straight allowed. Expected next day the FH to be on board. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
28. Yes.
Your Lordship, we've already filed our affidavit, Your Lordship.
You won't file affidavit?
We've already filed, Your Lordship.
Where is Mr. S. Thapa? Is the person who wants to...
Yes, Your Lordship, to remove his surname.
None appears for the petitioner list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
29.
Yes. Where's the affidavit? Yes, MS Pulni will file affidavit.
My Lord, we need some more time, my Lord, because this is from William.
And then file affidavit, yes. No, further 2 weeks time of affidavit, yes. As per no, further 2 weeks time of affidavit, yes. This is thereafter.
30.
Me, please, Lordship. Me, please, Lordships. Lordships, I'm praying for some more time to file my affidavit.
Why?
Lordship, we have received instructions and we are in the process of drafting the affidavit.
Who's appealing for 5?
I am for 1 to 4.
We are for respondent number 5.
You won't file affidavit.
We will file in the due course of the day, Your
You
Lordship.
file your MSE now, say.
No, as
What's
per
your
ngai.
name?
As per ngai.
L?
As per ngai.
Just can you spell your surname?
PYRNGAI.
Okay, never heard it before. Anyway, yes, your name. How long?
Should be 2 weeks.
Any no urgency?
No objection.
Yes, Mr. Husni, correspondent 1 to 4. NMS submits appraise and allowed further 2 weeks time for affidavit. MS Kungai, what do you call it? How do you pronounce it?
Pernai.
Pranay. Yes, Pranay for 1 of 5 submits and we find the course of the day. Yes.
31.
Yes, after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, we have submitted affidavit bringing on record the inquiry report, Your Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship. We have received the affidavit from all the respondent, Your Lordship. However, I am praying for filing my rejoinder for respondent number 1 and 2. Lordship is very necessary, Your Lordship. I have to establish my title.
Yes, ROW.
Your Lordship, kindly give me the opportunity to file my rejoinder and fix it for hearing.
When was given to you? This yesterday only? Today?
No, Your Lordship. I do not have a copy with me to file also.
When was it supplied to the petitioner?
Last month, Your Lordship.
We'll give them, my lord.
Last month, Your Lordship.
No, have you already have a copy of this?
Yes, yes, Your Lordship. I have a copy.
You don't have to give additional copy.
Give me just 2 weeks time. In the meantime, we fix for hearing as well, Your Lordship. We'll file the rejoinder with it. For 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
For?
1 and 2.
You're appearing for petition 1 and 2 only?
No, Can you allow me to file the
11
rejoinder for respondent number 1 and 2, Your Lordship? I'm appearing for all the respondents.
We're only for 1 and 2. We are for
I'm
1
appearing
and
for all the petitioners, yes.
You know. Yes, Mr. Elmajao, place funds allowed 2 weeks time to file rejoinder to the affidavit bring on record inquiry report. Yes.
Respondents 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
Hello.
32.
In this case, this 32 and 33 are connected matters, Your Lordship. In this case, we have received instructions that sanction has been given, Your Lordship. So, as soon as the money is released to us, we'll make the payment.
What's the matter about this?
About
this denial of payment of for the work in my lord.
Denial was due to financial constraints, Your Lordship. The central government had stopped funding us, which is why.
JJM?
My lord.
Sanctions have been given now.
Yes, the state.
MS T. Young AG submits that sanctions have been made for outstanding amounts payable to the petitioner. For the petitioner. Stop.
We can file an affidavit.
Yes, he prays was allowed to put an affidavit within
2 weeks.
Within 2 weeks or 1 week.
2 weeks.
Or the next case.
Obliging.
34.
GHTC was supposed to file the.
I'm praying for another 2 weeks. I'll file it positively, my lord.
Number 8. What's number 8?
Your Lordship, in respect of number 8, steps have been taken, Your Lordship. I will file the affidavit of service, Your Lordship. Due to an inadvertent error, Your Lordship, the same could not be filed on the last date, Your Lordship.
Yes, Bharat Saji, no affidavit. Yes, Mr. S.D.
Correspondent number 3 to 7, my lord.
For 3 to 7, please, further 1 week's time.
2 weeks, 2 weeks.
File affidavit, stop. Mr. Paske, which also prays and allowed to file affidavit to record fact number service on respondent number 8. Just after 2 weeks, yes. For affidavit for further orders.
35.
Yes, apply for affidavit and for further orders.
May it please your lordship. Item number 35, my lord. I am there in this case, my lord, as a respondent number 1. I couldn't go physically, my lord, because of the law and order situations. But anyhow, my lord, I am making my submissions with regard to this. So far, with regard to item number 35 is concerned, the president of Meghalaya Cricket Association approached this honorable court and obtained a stay order, ex parte stay order.
We'll have it. Are you all ready with the matter? Or you can have it at the end of the board after the orders are complete.
My lord, no issues.
Yes, you ready with the matter? Yes. Yes. Yes.
38.
32 served to copy mark. We are filing in the course of the day. 38.
Item
The petitioner, Manoj.
Yes,
I
Mr.
received
Gupta.
the counter affidavit, Manoj. I am ready to argue, Manoj, this matter. I don't need to file a rejoinder. Manoj, there are just three short
It's
points
not been,
which are.
because of e-filing, there is taking some time. It's not on record till now.
After it's not on record yet, Mr. Gupta. Before the court.
Manoj, despite your lordships observing there is urgency in this matter.
When Wednesday? Posted on Wednesdays.
39.
Affidavit filed by the respondent not yet on record. Posted on Wednesdays for further orders. Yes.
26th, Manoj. Very good.
26.
It's 26th Wednesday.
26 Wednesday.
Wednesday, sir. 26. 26 Wednesday.
Thursday.
26 Wednesday.
One Wednesday.
Thursday, Manoj. Thursday. Let it be on Thursday.
Take your chance on Thursday then, yes.
Yes.
39.
Punching thut nahi karne ka
I'm entering appearance for respondents number 4 and 5.
What matter is this?
This is an ex gratia matter. The person concerned was deployed for election duty in West Bengal. Now, these elections are the general elections, my lord. So, ex gratia payable will be by the central government. So, central government
Not
has
by the election commission.
no, my lord. By the
Don't have
central
any
government.
scheme.
No, my lord, because I've gone through the Q&As of the election issued by election commission. If it is a general election,
So
so
who will
this
have to approach then?
the central government, my lord.
Oh, in which department or which ministry?
Lord, that I will have to obtain instructions.
Can understand she's a widow.
Yes. There's a notification by the election.
Yes. Yes. Mr. Gupta, your matter is over. Yes. Yes.
Yes, Lord. Lordship, there's a notification dated 25 March 2014 by the Election Commission of India with regard to payment of ex gratia.
Where is that?
Page number, Annexus 8, Your Honor, Lordship. Page number
Annexus
22.
8. Page?
22.
Page?
22.
22.
My copy is not legible, my lord.
See, Election Commission of India.
This is 2014, my lord. But as on today, for general elections, it is the central government, and for state assembly elections, it is the state government. Ex gratia is payable, my lord. We don't deny that. Can you give me a
No,
clear
who's
copy?
doing the payment? That's the most important thing.
The payment has to be made by the
Guidelines
central
fine,
government.
But then now it doesn't say anything.
Yes,
It just says that I'm director to refer so and so slab for execution in the event of any mishap election related officials as mentioned in paragraph 7 of them. 10 lakhs minimum amount to be paid as of kin unfortunate event of death. So he should be paid 10 lakhs.
Now, in fact, it is much higher.
How did he die?
Your Lordship, the
He was
cause of
shot,
death.
my lord.
Yes.
He was
violence.
shot.
Yes, in the violence.
Then he'll get 20 lakhs. He was shot. Which elections are these?
Parliamentary election 2019, Your Honor. West Bengal.
Which state was it?
West Bengal.
2019.
2019. He was deployed there, my lord, for security. Union of India should be made a party, my lord, because it will be payable by them.
Yes.
It's general elections.
But then, will you plead them by the court itself?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Firman will send the parents today on behalf of the respondents number
4 and 5, my lord.
4 and 5. And as such, notice complete on all the respondents stuff. Then the council submits that, though no doubt the deceased, the petitioner's husband, is entitled to compensation. However, the authority concerned is the union government and not the election commission in India. In this connection, next paragraph, the learned counsel of the petitioner has drawn attention of this court to a letter dated 25/03/2014, which prescribes the rate slab LABS for ex gratia payment in the event of any mishap, to the election rate officials. Stuff. As per this communication, this court has perused the communication dated 25 March 14, but notes that no authority has been named therein which would be responsible liable to pay the ex gratia amount, except that a copy has been marked to the Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Legislative Department, New Delhi. In view of the necessity of, as this court sees necessity for impeding the said ministry, as a said party on its own motion, impledes the Secretary, the Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Legislative Department of Delhi, as the necessary party respondent, and to be added as respondent number 6. Yes. Petition to take steps accordingly. You serve on a council, yes.
Yes, sir. Obliged, Lordship.
Date. Just up to 1 week or 2 weeks. Then we'll give directions, let them get instructions.
40.
Respondent is to file the objection, Your Lordship. Affidavit.
Yes,
It will take some
argue
time.
now. Better argumentability, correct? Point of law.
Mentally matters.
Point of law.
Point of law.
Yes. What's your objection?
My objection is there, Your Lordship, that's the person, this petitioner,
Go to CAT.
he is the central government employee and he is in civil service in army. So it will go to the central administrative tribunal.
Have you taken instructions on that?
No, Your Lordship. Conducting counsel is out of station. Let
Who's
it be
conducting
placed.
counsel?
P. Ghosh, Your Lordship.
Stop, Mr. R. Debnath, the next, Leonard
CGC.
What's called?
CGC, Central Government Council.
CGC. CGC, yes.
One connected matter, Lordship, in WPC number 352, which is listed on the 26th. On the other previous date, we've prayed to connect it along, but then there might have been some mistake. Should have been listed on the 26th.
This matter?
Yes, this matter, yes.
But this on 24th written is
Yes.
not Tom, no? Tom, no? Oh, Mr. R. Debnath, then it's CGC today. Submit that though after not been filed, the main objection on maintainability is that the petitioner, being a
civil employee of the service.
Civil employee of which department? Of
defense.
Of
defense. Defense service.
Of the Ministry of Defense. So the petition, the application will be filed before the National Tribunal. Stop. Next para Mr. Majao submitted that our counsel is not available. He will convey instructions to be received for the next date. Yes. It's up to 2 weeks for instructions and for affidavit by the respondent. File it. It's a small thing. Yes.
Second call, 35.
Item number 35, my lord, this writ petition has been preferred by the president of Meghalaya Cricket Association, my lord.
Yes.
Wherein, my lord, only twofold, my lord, case as per my reading with regard to the writ petition is concerned, is this, that the Apex Council have the right for appointment of ombudsman. Second limb of their petition is this, that the General Secretary calling for a emergency Apex Council meeting was unconstitutional. These are the two full writ petition wherein
Now, first one you say Apex Council appointed ombudsman.
Yes, Apex Council appointed ombudsman, my lord.
Yes.
And that is been under challenge in the item number 36, that the related writ petition, my lord.
Yes.
So what I have understood with regard to the writ petitioner's case is this, that even, my lord, now the advantage is that, my lord, online submissions can be looked into. My lord have taken into, my lord, various annexes as with the writ petitions. My lord was never taken to the Constitution with regard to Article 40 of the Constitution of the Meghalaya Cricket Associations. So for that purpose, to understand that, may I take your lordship to page 60 of the writ petition, my lord, item number 35, straightway. To understand this, whether the apex body has the power. Yes. And for that purpose, my lord, may I take your lordship to some of the provision that has been provided that in this, my lord, 5 interpretation of terms, 5, my lord, and in that, my lord, apex council has been defined as 5A. It means apex council shall be the governing body appointed by the general body of the members to manage the
5A,
affairs of the
where's that?
associations.
5A.
5A, my lord.
Repetition of terms.
It's been defined.
Okay, yes.
Yes. Yes, shall mean the governing body appointed by the general body members to
Apex
manage
council
the affairs
shall
of the
mean
association.
the governing body appointed by a general body of members to manage the affairs of the association. Okay. Yes.
Yes. Now, may I take your lordship to directly with regard to, my lord, this power of the governing body at 12, Article 12. What is governing body, my lord, and how it is formed, who are the members? If your lordship reads it, my lord, the affairs of the association shall be conducted, managed and administered by a governing body called the Apex Council, who shall be considered as follows: the president, who is an elected member; vice president, elected member; honorary secretary, elected member; joint secretary, elected member; honorary treasurer, elected member. Then F, one member to be elected by the affiliated district associations and the former international player members at the annual general meeting. And that has been, my lord, who has been there, my lord, who has been selected, my lord. Z, 2 representative players, 1 male and 1 female, to be nominated by the Cricket Players Association from amongst those of its members who hail from Meghalaya. Now, so far, male is there, my lord. Male member has been appointed, female member is absent till today. Then H, 1 person to be nominated by Accountant General of Meghalaya from among the serving senior functionaries of the office, so co-terminus with the nominee tenure. Now, he has also been appointed. Now, my lord, may I take your lordship to the, my lord, powers, my lord, with regard to, my lord, this 17, my lord, Article 17 of the association, my lord. Apex councils, my lord, what are the powers?
Okay.
Here, my lord, every power has been there except appointment of ombudsman. Apex council cannot appoint ombudsman, my lord.
This has the power to yes, shall have all the powers of the general body. Then B, where is he ombudsman?
Except, my lord, there is no power of
Where is that
ombudsman
given?
My lord, if 17, Article 17 is read, my lord, there are many clauses, my lord, will kindly come to. Clause W, till W is there. Now, nowhere it is provided that appointment of ombudsman can be done by Apex Council.
General body.
Absolutely.
Now you see B, Apex Council shall have all the power of general body. Then?
Yes.
Then?
And authority and
general body is the same as the governing body.
I'll come to that, my
What is general body?
The Apex Council.
What is the definition of general body? 1 second. General body. One second.
Yes, general body is.
Apex Council Association, office bearers, financial year, season, tournament, player, affiliate member, district association, state, board, MCA, CEO. Where's the general body? What's the general body?
General body, my lord, it's not been in the definition part,
Then?
my lord. I don't find it, my lord. My lord, I'll come to that. I'll satisfy your lordship to that
Yes.
extent. Now, if your lordship appreciates B, Apex Council shall have all the powers of the general body and authority and discretion to do all acts and things except such acts as by these rules are expressly directed or required to be done by the general body. Exercise of such powers, authorities, and discretion shall be subject to control and regulations of the general body. No regulation shall retrospectively invalidate any act of the Apex Council which was otherwise valid. Now, my lord, there are two parts with regard to the clause B of Article 17. Now, two parts of this which has been expressly provided to be a act to be done by the done by the general body, then the Apex Council cannot do it, my lord. That is the interpretation appears, my lord. And may I take your lordship to now power and function of the office bearers, my lord, at 18, my lord. That is Article 18.
No, first, Mr. Bhuya, you just take
yes.
to go back to B. The Apex Council shall have
Yes.
all body and authority
All the
to
power.
do all acts and things except. Now, can you show the exceptions where they provided the
Yes, yes,
that
I'll
that,
come to
that
that.
the Apex
Kindly come
Council
to
cannot?
40.
Yes, can we just show that?
Yes, my lord, 25, my lord, annual general meeting, my lord, and 26, my lord, is the provision under which it can be done, my lord. Kindly come to annual general meeting, my lord.
Yes.
And at 25, my lord, will kindly find Roman 6,
Yes.
appoint ethics officer and ombudsman.
Okay.
Am I clear, my lord? My
Yes.
lord will clear. That has two parts. There is exception to regard to clause B is there.
Okay.
And
Yes.
before
Please.
that, my lord,
Okay. Yes.
may
Please
I take
continue.
your lordship?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So, yes, Article 18, my lord, will kindly see the power of the president. All powers and functions of office bearers has been defined here. So far, president is concerned, my lord, will kindly see. The
Yes.
president shall preside over all the meeting of the association and shall exercise general supervision over the activities of the association. In an emergency, the president shall have the right to take all measures necessary to safeguard the interests of the association and to carry on its activities. Now, my lord will kindly see the honorary secretary. The honorary secretary shall, subject to the general control and direction of the Apex Council, be in charge of all correspondence records and documents, preserve them in proper order. These are all the powers that has been given to the honorary secretary, my lord. And with regard to, will kindly see, my lord, keep and maintain all the meetings in appropriate books and cause them to be correctly recorded and confined. With the concurrence of the president or in his absence, the senior vice president convened the annual general meeting, special general meeting, and meeting of the Apex Council. My lord, that special, my lord, emergency general meeting was called by the honorary secretary, who is the respondent number 1. Whether he have the power, under what circumstances he have the power, that is also I will satisfy your lordship, my lord. 6, my lord, the power with regard to calling of the emergency special meeting has been provided to the, my lord, the honorary secretary also, my lord. Now coming to, my lord, 26, 25 and 26 will be very important, my lord.
AGM.
Yes, AGM. Annual general meeting of the association shall be held everywhere not later than 31st so and so as at such place and time as the president may fix. The honorary secretary shall issue 9 clear days notice to all bona fide members with the agenda specific business to be transacted at the meeting. A copy of the annual report and the audited statement of accounts of the previous year shall be accompanied the notice. Annual general meeting shall transact the following business: confirm the proceeding of the previous annual general meeting and special general meeting, if any; receive and adopt the annual report; receive and adopt audited statement of accounts; elect the office bearer and other members of the Apex Council in the year the elections are due; appoint the auditor; kindly see Roman 6. Appoint ethics officer and the ombudsman. There has to be with regard to appointment of ombudsman by the annual general meeting, my lord. Now, for my lord, so far with regard to the power, with regard to honorary secretary is concerned, my lord, calling for a special general meeting is there under the constitution or not, which they are saying to be unconstitutional, is absolutely wrong and contrary to the constitution. Kindly read 6, my lord. Special general meeting. A special general meeting may be called at any time, any of the following procedures. By the order of the president, which is not there, my lord. By the decision of the Apex Council, which is not there. 3 is very important. By requisition signed by not less than 1/3 of total number of bona fide members of the association. There are 12 associations, out of which there is written requisition for calling of a general meeting, my lord, annual general meeting, for the purpose of appointment of ombudsman. And this power has been invoked by the respondent number 1. What illegality about it, my lord? That has been stated. My lord will kindly come to my lord. Kindly see meeting of the Apex Council 27. The Apex Council shall meet at once in 3 months. Meeting of the Apex Council may be convened any time by the President or the Honorary Secretary. Oh, also upon requisition signed by at least 5 members of the Apex Council. It has been signed by five members of the Apex Council, my lord. We have produced the record, my lord, in my stay vacating application. Although the stay was, my lord, it was never extended. There is no petition been filed. As on today, there is no stay. Even then, my lord, I am making submissions. Now, kindly see, my lord, quorum.
13.
Yes, at least 7 bona fide members or at least 3/4 of the total number of bona fide members of the association is present in person shall form a quorum at the annual or special general meeting, my lord. And kindly come to, my lord, with regard to appointment of ombudsman, which is absolutely clear. 40, my lord. We'll kindly come to directly 40. May I read it, my lord?
Yes.
The association shall appoint an ombudsman at the annual general meeting. It's not Apex Council meeting. For the purpose of providing an independent dispute resolution mechanism. The ombudsman shall be a retired judge of a high court so appointed by the association after obtaining her consent and on terms as determined by the association, in keeping with the dignity and stature of the office. The term of the ombudsman shall be 1 year, subject to a maximum of 3 terms in office. The Apex Council shall frame regulation regarding the discipline and conduct of the players, match officials, team officials, administrators, committee members, and other association with BCCI. So the Apex, my lord, wherein, my lord, so far ombudsman is concerned, earlier constitutions, my lord, doesn't provide it as such. But by the Supreme Court judgments, my lord, in that particular judgment, my lord, it's been specifically ordered. In view of that, BCCI, same language, it can be only by a general body meeting, not by the Apex Council, my lord. Here, requisition has been received from 8 associations, my lord, out of 12. On that very basis, Honorary Secretary called for a emergent Apex Council meeting. But illegality about it is as per rules. Now, my lord, online I have gone through, my lord, with regard to the submission by the Council of the Petitioners. The Council of the Petitioners, my lord, never took this honorable court through Article 40 and obtained a stay order. Under law, my lord, it's been available online, my lord. That submission been made. Never took this honorable court to 40. If this honorable court would have been taken this 40, never would have passed that stay order. A rule is been made for a purpose, my lord, not for otherwise. My lord, on the last occasion, it's been submitted that we have suppressed certain things. What to suppress, my lord? Suppression is what? My lord, the Indian Contract Act, my lord, defines the fraud in a judicial proceeding. An order obtained by not putting forward with regard to the appointment of an ombudsman, wherein the only annual general meeting is to be done. They appoint through apex court and not making a submission and not informing this court with regard to Article 40 is fraud on the court. Misrepresentation, suppression is fraud. And this is not my language, my lord. It's the language of our High Court, my lord, Guwahati High Court, as well as apex court. An order obtained by fraud is no order in the law. That's my respectful submissions, my lord. And whole dispute is with regard to, my lord, certain things been done by the courts and a fitness person, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, that matter went to, my lord, Omen Commission. Omen Commission, my lord, submitted a report. On that very basis, my lord, there is no basis with regard to suspension of the secretary, my lord. Because Omen Commission never ever said with regard to suspension. It is nothing, my lord, a vengeful act contrary to law. Where is the law with regard to the power of the, my lord, the president, unilaterally suspending the honorary secretary, my lord? That's a different subject matter. But what I am on in this petition is this. Ombudsman jurisdiction with regard to appointment is never with regard to the apex council. The language is not ambiguity. There is no ambiguity in the language. Absolutely clear. It is the general, my lord, meeting who has to be conveyed for appointment of this, my lord. Even the power and function of the apex council does not say so with regard to appointment of ombudsman, my lord. To the contrary, I have shown that with regard to appointment of ombudsman, my lord, it is the general body, my lord. So the appointment itself and thereafter functioning of this ombudsman is beholds the constitution of Meghalaya Cricket Association, the BCI Cricket Association, my lord, Assam Cricket Association. To that extent, my lord, I take your lordship to the judgment. Yes, Supreme Court judgment. Yes, my colleague is there. 2015 3 SSC page 251.
1000.
This is 15 3 SSC 251. Page number 2 later. Now here, this matter with regard to appointment of my
You didn't give list of book.
ombudsman. Yes, I have furnished a copy of this.
You do the compilation.
My learned friend will be
Yeah, we have done that, please.
Would be there, my lord.
I've got a soft copy.
You kindly give it. Which one?
This is only the report. That
What judgment? You at least should have given list of book.
yes. I have only the report.
Give to the court.
Yes. Yes, only the report.
No, I don't want a report. I want the judgment. Ashim.
The judge.
2015 3 SEC. There's some problem today, I think, with this connection. What is this, Mr.
The
Khalil?
letters received from 8 associations, my lord, which is more than 1/3. He have acted upon for calling of a special meeting for the purpose of, my lord, to discuss with
Mr. Bhuya,
regard
if it, Mr. Bhuya, just now we lost you. I mean, we cannot hear you for around 2-3 minutes.
I'm
You have
sorry.
to
Yes.
rewind your submission. Yes.
Yes, my lord, what I am on.
Yes.
In the Supreme Court judgment, my lord, that there is a report being submitted in the Supreme Court. Report of Supreme Court Committee on Reforms in Cricket.
Yes. Yes.
In that report, my lord,
That page?
at page 146.
Okay.
At page 146. My lord will kindly see. These are the recommendations of the Supreme Court.
Yes.
And the
146.
ombudsman has been added here.
Which page?
146, my lord, yes.
146. You know, it's the last page. Nothing here. The logo of Karnataka State Cricket Association.
Your Lordship is
My lord,
below.
committee report
Below
it
where?
is there, my lord. The whole committee report has been there. Kindly finish it. Mr. King Farm, Land Council King Farm is there, my lord.
Confirm giving the correct copy to the court.
The page number is below. Your Lordship.
Page number below where?
Below.
The last
146, my lord.
one last page is this one, miss.
No, this you come in the middle, Your Lordship. In the middle.
146. What do we mean middle?
There
are two 146. There are two 146s.
There are two. Two compilation.
Yes, maybe. That's why.
No, they're not. They're not in. Not sure. 1 second. Oh, see.
140.
There's volume 1. Yes. There are two volumes. You put in one place. Yes. Abhya. Yes.
146. If your lordships come, ombudsman.
Yes.
Chapter 9, the ombudsman. The board shall appoint an ombudsman at the annual general meeting. Clear terms.
Yes.
On that very basis, my lord, the BCCI, my lord, the association, my lord, amended, my lord. And my friend may put it this before the honorable court with regard to the BCCI, my lord, the constitution, my lord. In the BCCI, my lord, after the Supreme Court judgment, my lord, it's been absolutely clear in chapter 9, the ombudsman. The BCCI shall appoint an ombudsman at the annual general meeting. Same language as, my lord, advised by the committee with regard to BCCI, my lord. And
Yes.
with regard to this, my lord, the language is same. So far Assam Association is concerned, my lord, will kindly see. Same language. There is no ambiguity with regard to this. Assam Association, my lord, Constitution 43 provides. Assam Cricket Association shall appoint an ombudsman at the annual general meeting for the purpose of providing an independent
Yes.
dispute resolution mechanism. There is no ambiguity. How the apex courts appointed, my lord, which is challenged in the other matter, my lord. No jurisdiction to appoint. And my lord will kindly come. I rely on certain judgment, my lord. My argument is very precise. If your lordships allows me to take your lordship to the stay vacating applications, my lord, wherein I have annexed everything, nothing to hide, my lord. Yes. We have specifically stated on oath, my lord. Kindly see, my lord. Stay applications, my lord. At page 13 of the stay vacating application, my lord will kindly see.
Page 30.
13, 1-3, my lord.
Okay, 30 yes. Resolution.
Yes, this is with regard to 10th day of July 2026, my lord. The meeting of the members of the Meghalaya Cricket Association having been duly convened and held today at 10 July 2020 at Shillong Club, so and requested quorum being present. The following resolution is placed before the meeting for considerations. After detailed deliberation of prevailing circumstances affecting the administration and functioning of the association, the member only noted that the president of the Meghalaya Cricket Association has instituted another legal proceeding against the members of the duly elected body of the association, thereby necessitate appropriate legal action for the protection of interests, so and so. According to the following resolutions are adopted, my lord. Now, Resolved that in order to safeguard and protect the interests of the so and so duly elected body of Meghalaya, Sri so and so honorary secretary so and so B and is
But
hereby
was this
authorized.
person not suspended by then?
This
Was
is
he
with
under
regard to
suspension?
10th day of July. He has been suspended, my lord. May I come to my lord on 28/6, my lord. No? Yes, 28/6, my lord.
Okay, yeah.
And this is a resolutions, my lord. My lord will kindly see the quorum at 10th July 2026. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Honorary Secretary, Vice President, Honorary Joint Secretary, Honorary Treasurer, Member Council. So 1/3 member is required, my lord, is 4. Here it is 5.
Okay.
Now, my lord will kindly come to next, my lord, at page 15. Now, previously there was a litigation with regard to election date and all. And my lord has disposed of with regard to this honorable court, my lord. My lord has dealt with this matter and ultimately disposed of this matter. And that is a paragraph 20 of my affidavit in this, my lord, stay vacating application. Accordingly, it is directed till the next day notice so and so calling for a special general dated 3/7 shall be stand such a L also resolution consequently so and so arising out of the emergency apex meeting so and so. It is further provided that the ombudsman shall continue to discharge the function as per so and so, so and so, so and so, so and so. Now, this has been a judgment in this case. 1/7/2026. Now, my lord has passed this order suspending with regard to 3/7 meeting, my lord, and emergent apex council meeting to be held on 9/5/2026, my lord, because article 40 was never been shown or made any submission whisper with regard to that. Kindly come to at page 21, my lord, will kindly see. Okay.
Attendees.
These are the attendee with regard to the meeting on 7 March 2026, my lord, 6 p.m. Agenda item number appointment of ombudsman. Apex Council noted that the position of ombudsman has been vacancy so and so, and that constitution requirement mandate so and so. The president reported that pursuant to the mandate given so and so previous as due church conducted and justice so and so of the so and so had consented to take up the role. Now this particular comes in, my lord, on 7 March 2026. No annual general meeting, and in this particular day convey to the person concerned who is to be appointed as ombudsman and take the consent also, my lord. And my lord will kindly see item number this one, and with regard to this, my lord, kindly see the attendance with regard to this at page 26. Original is 27. They are saying I have given consent with regard to appointment of ombudsman to the respondent here in this case, my lord. But kindly come to page 27. That's the copy. Did I give my consent? Absolutely no. My signature doesn't appear. Honorary secretary's
Is
signature
there
doesn't appear.
27
It's not there,
signatures?
my
Eh?
lord.
What is this then?
My lord, honorary secretary's signature there. Honorary joint secretary signature, honorary treasurer signature not there. AG representative signature is not there.
Yes.
Windows are back.
I mean, wrong mistake I think today. All the video conferencing is getting disturbed. We'll resume. Can you patch up all time? No, the, There's a blockade operating on this network also. We will resume. We take up other matters first. The hearing matters will resume at 2 o'clock. Yes.
General body meeting of 2 bars today. Everybody would want to be in this meeting. Even the other connected matter, item number 47, where I'm appearing for my BCCI as well. I'm yet to find my.
We'll continue tomorrow then.
Continue next day.
Tomorrow, otherwise you don't want to keep this matter hanging. Actually, because I think the one part to examine is whether that internal dispute resolution mechanism you have necessarily needs an ombudsman, correct?
Yes.
He has to be there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, due to technical issues, pose this matter for further hearing tomorrow after the division bench. In the order for them.
What's the division bench?
Item
number 37, I'm entering appearance for this one.
We'll sit tomorrow also 37.
Confirm.
37 is already been called out.
Connected matter.
Then we'll call, will come tomorrow.
Hearing 41.
Praying for some accommodation today, at least for 24 hours. Let the matter come up tomorrow, my lord. We'll argue this.
Hours?
Yes, my lord. Let's come up tomorrow, my lord. I have some difficulty because Barsila is listed, my lord, and I have requested the officer to be present today.
What's Barsila?
Barsila is that matter where some record we cannot trace, my lord. The file is before this honorable court. So if my lord permit us, we can take back the file and then, my lord, find out whether that record exists or not, my lord, in the file.
We listen when?
Tomorrow it can be done if my friend is
More
asking.
division bench, other matter will take time also.
Then let it be listed on Thursday, Your Lordship.
Thursday would make an attempt, okay?
We'll make an attempt. Okay, Your Lordship.
At the request of the parties, let's matter on Thursday.
42.
Elijah, Lordship.
42.
Network problems from here or from there, or from where is it? Something on our server. Then you fix it. Who's the local council, Mr. Bhuya? You are. Who was there earlier on for Mr. Khalingdo?
Yes.
You kindly call him. You kindly inform your senior that due to this server issues, which I think from NIC only, that the matter will resume tomorrow.
Okay, I'm connecting.
No, yes, tomorrow we'll resume tomorrow. Some problem with the server has been fixed. Yes. Yes, Mr. Datta.
Your Lordship, I have nothing new to say because
Then
since 2024 I have been saying, and in my this affidavit in rejoinder, so I would like to rely on that because it will be repetition of the same thing again and again. So I rely on that, especially this paragraph 4 of my rejoinder.
Yes.
And paragraph 5 of my rejoinder.
Right. Where's the other matter as well as Haji just sit together? So we'll dispose it all together. Yes.
Your Lordship, just in my rejoinder also, I just want to point out only para 9, 10 and 11.
Okay. You're
9, 10 and 11, Your Lordship. That is 43, 44.
But you already are aware that they won't be in relief forthcoming.
Yes, sir. But still it will be over. Let my submission be on record, Your Lordship.
Of course.
And
Yes.
Another person.
Any other thing to say, Mr. Sen?
My lord, this lordship, my lord, and everything is answered in my affidavit at page 8.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly come to page 8. There are altogether 12 casual status employees. Now, all of them,
Mr. Datta's case.
Mr. Datta's is 9 and 3 other separate petition filed by my landed friend. 9 plus 3, my lord, 12. All these 12 cases. We have written a common letter. My lord, this was addressed to the Ministry of Personnel with a, my lord, copy to UGC. In fact, the UGC is the competent authority, my lord. That this is the situation. They have been granted temporary status at the intervention of the court. Very late. My lord, 1820, my lord. It happened, we have sent a copy of the Honorable Court's order also, my lord. No reply, we send a reminder. So in course of submission, my lord, in course of the hearing, my lord, my learned friend appearing for the UGC, she placed, my lord, it is on record. Now UGC expressed his inability, so we cannot do it. So my lord, this is how our hands are tied.
Correct, you filed it.
Yes.
All the facts are there.
Yes.
May I please,
So this is the situation.
may I please, Your Lordship, just one small submission of the record I am saying just. My learned friend Nehu has filed one affidavit in opposition. There they have annexed one letter, initial one, page 922, 1990. There it is written. If there is any vacancy, they can pull from the. They can pull.
Yeah, what reply do you have to that?
They can pull from the temporary status holder because, Your Lordship, it is.
But you all not qualified.
No, it is 1990.
The only case that you're a driver.
No, that time it was not there, Your Lordship. 1998, that was not there. And
No, the only thing is that you're a driver.
Yes, that is
Then.
so. That 2010, that notification says that with Group D has been updated, but it is 98 document, Your Lordship. It is not brought to our knowledge.
98 that they'll be pulled from there.
Yes, it is
Too
there.
long ago. Yes, we'll note that. Yes.
It's always there.
98 that UGC has extended this scheme to us, my lord. That scheme, my lord, that
But
group
it
D do
should
not
be brought
exist.
to our knowledge now, Your Lordship. That is the thing.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes, hearing concluded. Anything to say? Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged.
46.
Hearing concluded. Judgment reserved. Yes.
If my lord may kindly see the last order, my lord.
Yes.
We were supposed to produce, my lord, Zamabandi. Zamabandi is with us, my lord. But again, my lord, there was an order which was passed by this honorable court, my lord, that relate to the order dated 23/10/2019 passed by the assistant settlement officer.
Which date is this? Which order?
This is the order of, my lord, 10/6/2026, my lord. 10/6/2026. So the record, my lord, is already with the court, my lord. That we need to examine whether this document is there or not, my lord, in that record.
Mr. V.K. Jindal, this is a counsel assisted by so and so, submit land records which have been produced does not include an order dated 23/10/2019 by the assistant settlement officer.
Yes.
You are aware?
Now he is the revenue officer.
Yes.
He was the
This
assistant
order is
settlement
not there.
officer.
There's no other. The copy order is not in his possession.
No, it is not in his position, and we are thinking, my lord, maybe it is in the file. So if my lord pass an order, we can examine that file, my lord.
Yes, today your name?
Just I
No, what is your name? 1 second.
Butcher Moment, my lord. He is the revenue officer now, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship will just come to page 42 of my writ petition. This is the typed copy of the Jamabandi. In that, your Lordship will find that the original owner of the land was Sushil Sarkar. Now, in the Jamabandi, it is found Wide Office Order number 3 dated Tura, the 14th January 1997, conversion allowed in favor of Shri Sushil Sarkar from annual patta to white PP memo number so and so dated 14th January 1997. This is one order, your lordship, 2297 it is passed. Then the last order on the same page, your lordship will find mutation allowed in the name of Shrimati Pompa and Sangma, Shrimati Pinky and Sangma
wide ASO order dated 23/10/2009 by the Dak Chitta by right of gift, Your Lordship. Now, in my writ petition, I have prayed that the District Council be directed to produce the copy of these orders along with the records, related records. And that order was passed 2 years before. Thereafter, they kept taking time to produce the records.
And the records they produce don't contain that order.
That doesn't contain the order, and that also, Your Lordship, doesn't contain the related records. And my case is this, that they have, that the private responder number 3 and 4, they have fabricated any manufactured the another sale deed and the gift deed, on the basis of which they have got the mutation. A fraud was committed by these people for getting the mutation done on your name in collation with the official of the Revenue Department of the Garo Hill District Councils. And Your Lordship, that they should state clearly whether these records and the copy of the orders are there or not, and if it is not there, where it is, and for that the department concerned should hold an inquiry, and it cannot get missed, Your Lordship, in this manner. If it is allowed to be missed, it is a stigma on the judicial, it is a semi-judicial process, and these persons are liable for that. Let him file the affidavit clearly stating whether the records relating to passing of these 2 orders.
First order is 23/10/2019. Other order is?
Other orders, Your Lordship, are
14 January 1997.
14 January 1997 and
Mr. D, you have to look personally into this matter.
My lord. That is why, my lord, I have called him. Now, at that point of time, he was not a revenue officer.
Whoever he may be, Your Lordship.
Now he is in charge.
He is in charge. That is why, my lord, he has come personally.
Your Lordship, the last order was passed by P.K. Sangma, sisters. It is written there. P.K. Sangma.
P.K. Sangma was not a revenue officer, my lord. He was the CEM.
Assistant Settlement Officer. Assistant Settlement Officer.
He's still there.
No, my lord. P.K. Sangma was the CEM, my lord, of District Council, who recently died, my lord. P.K. Sangma, my lord. Purno K. Sangma.
No, he passed this order.
Yeah, he passed this order, probably being the EM
yes.
or maybe CEM.
Whatever he may be. And he's still there. And he has made the entry of mutation wide on the strength of ASO order dated 23/10/2019. And I have been taking this plea right from the time of filing of my complaint before Deputy CEM, and I have also taken the plea before Your Lordship that this is a clear and cut case of the fraud. On the other hand, Your Lordship, the Sushil Sarkar, during mediation, he has come on the video conference. He stated, I have executed only one sale deed in favor of Barshila, and I have not executed any other sale deed or gift deed in favor of the respondent number 3 or 4 or their father. And he has filed an affidavit, which I have brought it on the record on the last occasion, and that
3 and 4 appeared. You are appearing for them, Mr. Firuman.
Yes, ma'am. We are the daughters.
Just take out the affidavit, no? Affidavit. Last affidavit file. Your Lordship will just see the affidavit filed on 11/8. 11/8. Page 5. He clearly states that I do hereby declare that in another sale deed dated 2/6/2011 allegedly executed by me in favor of Shri Niranjan Nikku Shaha in respect of the aforesaid plot of land, and on perusal of the same, I do hereby declare that the said alleged sale deed was never executed by me.
Where are you reading from?
Your Lordship, Annexure A of my additional affidavit filed on 11/8/2026.
So just the other day. Okay.
And this is my affidavit, and in that affidavit, I have enclosed the affidavit of the Sushil Sarkar, wherein paragraph 1 he has clearly stated that I do hereby declare that the said alleged sale deed copy enclosed was never executed by me, and my signature appended on the sale deed are false and fabricated. I further declare that I have executed only one sale deed dated 2/6/2011 in favor of Srimati Barshila and Sangma. That I also do hereby declare that I have never executed any gift deed in favor of Srimati Pinky and Sangma and Srimati Pompa and Sangma before GHADC Tura. Any such gift deed alleged to be executed by me is also false. Now, gift deed on the basis of...
Learned senior cannot rely on a new document.
No, I have taken the... I have taken...
never part of the record.
No, I have taken the permission of this court to file the...
This was never part of the record.
No, you please, this is a fraud. It can be brought at any stage.
My lord,
At any point of time. There is no limitation here.
The officer is here. He want to examine the record, and now only declaring that.
See, this is getting more complicated. The matter from production of two orders now, which now senior counsel said that they do non-existent. Correct?
My lord, my lord.
And so, if they're non-existent, then what basis that the CM at that point of time
has mutated?
Mutated.
This is Zamabandi, my lord. It
That's
is
the only
not.
thing. See, mutation, the register. What is the record now? You see the procedure is very simple. Whatever happens in these revenue matters, right? The thing is that okay, fine, mutation is done. Inspection is done. Then the settlement officer goes and makes a recommendation, and that's so. That is the only thing. Now, but now we say the ESO has made recommendation, and on the basis of recommendation, because due to certain documents, which recommendations been made and mutations been done, right? Now you say those documents never existed.
Never existed. And they were fabricated.
And the orders passed also they're not there in record anymore.
Two things. No, just a minute. Two things, my lord. What I could have understood from the senior submission, that it has been fabricated and this doesn't exist. Now, if it is fabricated, my lord, for district council to examine, my lord, when someone come to register, my lord, it is very difficult, my lord.
No, why not?
How can we see, my lord, whether a gift deed was executed by Mr. A or not, my lord? Someone come to us, my
but
lord.
whatever it is,
In good faith, my lord, is to do.
In good faith, yes. Whatever what we're saying is that now there will be subject matter criminal proceedings.
Yes.
Now
yes.
the only thing is that now whether those documents were ever produced. What he says now, according to Mr. Jindal, that order does not exist in the records, nor the proceedings, and though out of the blue, like Mr. So and so, he has given the mutation based on ESO report. Now, on what material did ESO rely upon? Was it on these fabricated documents? What happened? Now, only thing is that I think you'll have to
two things, my lord. Two things, my lord. What writ can do, my lord, whether that document exists or not, my lord has to be examined from the record.
No,
Second thing, my lord, whether it is fabricated or not is a different proceeding will follow, my lord.
No, that's different. What we're saying is that now Mr. Jindal's case has taken a different turn.
Yes, my lord.
In the sense that says that first he wanted the orders on the basis of which mutation was done and what materials were examined. Now, next step has come that found out that those materials are fabricated, and this person executed only one sale deed in favor of the red petitioner.
My lord.
And he never executed any other document. Correct? That's
Any
your
other
case.
document, yes.
No,
Has
my
he
lord,
been party?
My lord.
But
No, he's not a party. He's not a party. Second thing, my lord, this is the Zamabandi, my lord, and there is an entry. There is an entry. Only we need to examine the record, and then we will try to
see the entry,
my lord. This is not the case of senior, my lord, that it was not entered even in the Jamabandi. Jamabandi, it was.
We are not disputing this fact. Let them produce the. They are unable to produce the record.
No, we are not saying we are unable, my lord. We are trying to understand which are the records which is required to be produced, my lord. 2 files is already there. We need to examine those files, my lord. I have not made any statement, my lord, that records are not there.
Then if it is there, why it is not produced?
My lord, officer is there to assess this honorable court, my lord.
He is not speaking anything.
I am
The court ask him to speak.
Lordship.
Yes, you can speak to him outside if you want. Clarification.
Lordship.
Yes. Today, the revenue officer, you just give your name.
Brucher Momin, B. Mocher. He is the revenue officer.
The full name?
Brucher.
Momin is present in person as directed by this court for production of the records. It is next question with SD that the record that since been produced for need further examination as the relevant records do not seem to be present with the revenue authorities in the district council. A copy of Jamabandi showing the mutation allowed in favor of response 4 and 5. You are 4 and 5.
3 and 4.
4 and 5. 3 and 4, 4 and 5.
The 3 and 4.
3 and 4. No, copy. The original Jamabandi register is produced to this court showing the fact of mutation allowed in the name of the respondents number 3 and 4 by ESO order dated 23/10/2019. As next one, Mr. Vicky Jindal, however, has referred to the latest edition affidavit filed to state that there was no sale ever effected in favor of
the
respondents 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
On the basis of which the mutation, it appears, has been allowed and has referred to the lecture annexed thereto, which is an affidavit sworn by the original vendor.
Yes.
In his view, the matter, as the matter is in this view, in this circumstance, the matter deserves further detailed inquiry. The revenue officer's present is directed to take back the records present in court and to examine the same and to make a report with regard to the 2 orders, that is 22/1/97
yes
and 23/10/2019, how they've been arrived at in mutation.
And file affidavit to that effect.
Let them file a
Place the
report.
record, full record will place.
The copy of the original records is returned along with other records placed for this court. Just after 4 weeks, yes.
4 weeks, my lord. I have respect.
My lord, it will be little longer.
More longer? 6 weeks then.
Lordship, as your lordship desire, let it be 3 weeks.
4 weeks.
4 weeks, my lord.
Yes. 47.
My lord, if may I submit. My lord, the petitioner counsels are new counsel engaged. So they were also they joined through BC only, my lord. So I believe they are also having problem. Even Mr. Pandey is also having problem joining. So if this matter can come up after 2 weeks, my lord. Because, my lord, recently they have filed an affidavit. The new counsel has filed a new affidavit.
Who do you call Mr. Pandey?
No, my lord. The new counsel for the petitioners are some by the name of A. Gupta, my lord. So they have filed a new affidavit. We need to examine that.
1 week, yes.
48.
This will take a little bit of time.
So we have a meeting.
Yes.
More important than this. When?
2 weeks.
When Mr. Mansoor used to attend the meeting. Yes, 2 weeks, yes.
Obliged.
51.
Yes, Mr. Rahman.
Lordship. Lordship, this matter pertains to Gaubura and for the bifurcation, my lord. Lordship, there is a violation of the order dated of Guwahati High Court, my lord.
Contempt matter?
No, it's a
No,
writ petition, my lord. This matter will take a bit of time, my lord. This
Why?
matter can also be taken up some other day. my lord.
Gaubura matter?
Yes, Lordship. Not only Gaubura, Lordship, there is a bifurcation matter also there, and
Of the
there is a
village?
violation. Yes, there is a violation of Guwahati High Court order.
Let it come after a week or so, my lord.
Sure about the para. After 1 week is of the request of the parties. Rest of the matters, how many matters left?
52.
52 also, my lord.
My friend is there.
No
objection, madam.
After 2 weeks, my lord.
55.
May it please your lordship, the conducting counsel is indisposed. She's not keeping well. Praying for interment.
Hungry?
No,
Hungry or
Lamba.
Lamba? After when?
1 week.
2 weeks or what?
Is ready for this matter? Review medical board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 1 week. As the arguing counsel for the patient indisposed. What is your name?
M. Somat.
We record the name. Yes. Somat.
59.
Yes, we have it after 2 weeks. Then we
Lordship,
have-
let us take after 1 week, Lordship.
Why?
There is some urgency.
What is what
because-
urgency?
Lordship,
Promoted immediately?
no, Lordship, it's not about promotion, it's about appointment of Dean. Lordship, I'm challenging the appointment of respondent number 4, and very soon, I mean, next year her tenure is going to be over. So I'm
Next
challenging
year?
next year. So, and moreover, Lordship, and for my retirement, only 2 years left. Lordship, let this matter come after.
The problem with you, Mr. Deb,
Lordship,
is that we fix a matter for 1 week and MS Karamotion comes and says, yeah, for what? So we have slight difficulty. If we are regular every day, we fix up to 1 week, 1 day, no problem.
Lordship, I'll be
But
there.
that is the practical difficulty.
Lordship,
So
I'll be
we'll
there.
see. Date fix that day. We have some other matter. You send her. She let her argue next day. Then put up for 1 week. She's more regular, I think, than you. Right or wrong?
Yes,
Then many times you ask for dates 1 week. Then we don't see your face also. So what will the court do?
My apologies, Lordship.
No need to apologize. It's just because you're balancing your cases. Every counsel do that.
Lordship.
But if you ask for specific date, we expect you that you'll be there to argue the matter.
Lordship, 2nd September, Lordship.
2nd September?
Lordship.
Okay, yes.
All right.
Hi.
Any prayer?
For
tomorrow?
35, 36, 37. So we requested on Thursday. Tomorrow,
On Thursday.
with consent of all the parties. Yeah.
That's of course a duty, but this will not take much time. Short matter.
We'll come personally also. No, today something wrong with the server from NIC. We have issues sometimes because we are dependent on.
Even calling also is very difficult.
We're dependent on NIC.
Yes.
So we have no choice with regard to the platform we use. When we had earlier on video conferencing through, they put one app, one platform, they put the video, VIDYO, they use that. None of our equipment is compatible with that. And so it was getting nowhere. Then Bharat BC came. And so it's like that. So it becomes age of technology. Yes.
Thursday.
Thursday Katuka, MCA. Yes.